Welcome you all to the digital class of mathematics. Today in our second session of chapter 8, comparing quantities, we will be learning about profit and loss. Before starting with the concept of profit and loss, let's recapitulate what is the cost price and the selling price. Cost price, the price at which an article is purchased, is called its cost price, which can be written as CP as well. And selling price is the price at which an article is sold. That means the price at which you purchase an item. जिस प्राइस पे आप कोई चीज खरीदते हैं वो आपका हो जाती है कॉस्ट प्राइस, दैट मीन्स सीपी. एंड द प्राइस जिस पे आप कोई चीज बेचते हैं, दैट मीन्स द प्राइस एट विच यू सेल एन आर्टिकल becomes its selling price. So now let's see what is a profit and what is a loss then. So profit हमें कब होता है? When SP is greater than CP. मतलब आपने कोई चीज 100 रुपए की खरीद के 120 की बेची, तो जब आप कम की खरीद के ज्यादा में बेचते हो तो आपको क्या होता है? प्रॉफिट. दैट मीन्स व्हेन SP is greater than CP, it is a profit. So how you will calculate the profit? So profit is equals to selling price minus the cost price. मतलब आपने 100 रुपए की खरीद के 120 की बेची, तो आप लिखोगे 120 minus 100. That means 20 rupees का आपको प्रॉफिट हुआ. And if you have to find out the profit percent, this profit percent is equals to profit upon में cost price into 100. That means profit was 20 rupees, cost price is 100 into 100. तो हमें कितने का प्रॉफिट हुआ था? 20% का. Okay. Now let's see the case of loss. Loss हमें कब होता है? When CP is greater than SP, it is a loss. That means आपने कोई चीज परचेज करी 100 रुपीज की और आपने जब उसको सेल किया, यू सेल एट द प्राइस ऑफ 90 रुपीज, तो आपने कम में बेचा, तो आपको क्या हुआ उस केस में? लॉस. तो लॉस इज इक्वल्स टू सीपी माइनस एसपी. दैट मीन्स कॉस्ट प्राइस माइनस सेलिंग प्राइस. एंड द लॉस परसेंट इज इक्वल्स टू लॉस upon में CP into 100. Now class, remember one thing. In denominator, if we are finding either the profit percent or the loss percent, there is always the cost price. That means the original price. Okay. Now let's see few formulas which we have already learned in class 7th as well. That how to find out the selling price when the cost price and profit percent is given, or cost price and loss percent is given. That means SP is equals to 100 plus profit percent upon में 100 into CP, or in case of loss it will be 100 minus loss percent upon में 100 into CP. That means अगर आपको profit हो रहा है, that profit percent will always add it, and the loss आपको हमेशा नुकसान देता है, so it will always be subtracted. In case you have to find out the cost price, when the selling price and profit percent is given, you can use this formula, which is 100 upon में 100 plus profit percent into selling price, or 100 upon में 100 minus loss percent into selling price. Now let's see exercise 8.2. We will be discussing the questions related to the concept of profit and loss only in this session. So let's see question number 3. A shopkeeper buys 80 articles for rupees 2400. एक शॉपकीपर ने 80 आर्टिकल्स परचेज किए, बाय किए. कितने के? 2400 के. एंड सेल देम फॉर अ प्रॉफिट ऑफ 16%. और उसको कितने प्रॉफिट परसेंट पे बेचा? 16% के प्रॉफिट पे. तो हमें क्या गिवन है? कॉस्ट प्राइस ऑफ 80 आर्टिकल्स, राइट? This is equals to rupees 2400, and what else is also given is the profit percent. Now profit percent is equals to 16%. Now what you need to find out? You need to find out the selling price of one article. ओनली वन आर्टिकल का आपको सेलिंग प्राइस, मतलब उसने बेचे तो 80 के 80, 80 से 80 के 80 बेचे, बट उसको एक बेचा तो उसने एक अगर बेचा होगा तो कितने का बेचा होगा, आपको वो फाइंड आउट करना। तो अगर मैं 80 आर्टिकल्स की सेलिंग प्राइस निकाल दूं तो मैं एक की निकाल सकती हूँ बाय यूनिटरी मेथड, राइट। तो अगर अब मुझे निकालनी है फर्स्ट सेलिंग प्राइस ऑफ 80 आर्टिकल्स, तो वो कैसे निकलेगी, मतलब आपके पास सीपी गिवन है, प्रॉफिट परसेंट गिवन है, एसपी निकालना है। तो अगर मैं इस वाले फॉर्मूला शीट पे हम वापस जाएं तो वी विल बी यूजिंग दिस formula. When the cost price and the profit percent is given, we have to find out the selling price. तो formula है क्या, 100 plus profit percent upon में 100 into cost price. So we will be writing here the same 100 plus profit percent upon में 100 into the cost price. This will be equals to 100 plus profit percent is 16% upon में 100 into CP. Remember, I used to tell you same thing in class 7th as well. This 100 will not get cancelled. Okay, so first we have to add 100 plus 16. This will be 116 upon में 100 into the cost price, which is 2400. Now this 0 and this 0 cancel, this 0 and this 0 cancel. What we are left with? Rupees 116 into 24. Now in rough, let's multiply 116 with 24. 6 4s are 24, 4 1s are 4 plus 2 6, 4 1s are 4. Now multiply with 2, 2 6 are 12, 2 1s are 2 plus 1 3, 2 1s are 2. Now let's add them, it will be 4, 8, 7, 2. That means the selling price of 80 articles is equals to 22,784. Now 2,784 is the selling price of 80 articles, and what we need to find out in the question, the selling price of one article. So selling price of one article, that means SP of one article is equals to rupees 2784 अपॉन में 80 बाय यूजिंग द यूनिटरी मेथड। अगर 80 आर्टिकल्स की आपको कॉस्ट पता है तो एक की कितनी होगी, बाय यू विल डिवाइडेड बाय 80। सो नाउ लेट्स कैंसिल देम, दोनों 2 के टेबल में कैंसिल हो जाएंगे। सो दिस विल बी एट 40, 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, 2 9s are 18 and 2 2s are 4. Again on 2, this will add 20, 2 6 are 12, 2 9s are 18, 2 6 are 12. Again on 2, 2 10, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8 and 2 8s are 16. So now we are left with rupees 348 by 10. This can be written as rupees 34.8, right? That means selling price of one article is equals to rupees 34.8. Now this is rupees, और हम rupees में up to 2 digit तक we write down after decimal. So we can write down here 0. So that means 34 rupees and 80 paisa. So you will write down the statement at the end. Hence, selling price of one article is equals to rupees 34.80, and this is our rough work. Okay, is it clear? Now let's see question number 4. The cost of an article was rupees 15,500. एक आर्टिकल है जिसकी आपको कॉस्ट कितनी गिवन है, मतलब अगर आप मार्केट में गए हो तो आपको उसको प्राइस नजर आता है 15,500 का, वो उसकी कॉस्ट है उस आर्टिकल। 450 was spent on its repair. आपने उस आर्टिकल को ठीक कराया, तो उस ठीक कराने में आपके उस रिपेयरमेंट चार्जेस कितने लग गए, 450 रुपीज। तो हमें अभी तक क्या क्या गिवन है, कॉस्ट ऑफ एन article is given, which is rupees 15,500, and what else is given, repairment charges. So the repayment charges is rupees 450. Now, if it is sold at a profit of 15%, आपने अब इस आर्टिकल को बेचा, कितने में बेचा? 15% के प्रॉफिट में. You have to find out the selling price. So remember class that repayment charges, transportation charges, they all added to the cost of the item, or you can say the cost of an article. So we will write down the total cost price is equals to now this rupees 15,500, that means the cost of an article plus 450. क्योंकि अगर देखो बेटा, अगर आप एक शॉपकीपर हो, आपने कोई चीज बेच रहे हो, ठीक है, बट आपने अगर उसको पहले ठीक करा के बेचा है, तो उस ठीक कराने वाले चार्जेस भी उसमें एड ऑन करोगे ना, वरना तो आपको नुकसान होगा, राइट? सो यू विल एड इट, you will add them. So 15,500 plus rupees 450. So this will be rupees 15,950 is now your cost price. What else is given? The profit percent, which is 15%. Now you need to find out the selling price of an article. So we can write down selling price of an article is equals to, we will use again the same formula because the cost price and the profit percent is given. So this is 100 plus profit percent upon में 100 into the cost price. So this can be further written as 100 plus 15 is the profit percent upon में 100 into 15950. Now this will become 100 plus 15. Again, this 100 and 100 will not get cancelled. So this will be 115 upon my 100 into 15,950. Now this 0 cancel. Now what we can do, we can multiply them and put the decimal at the end. Why you want to, just अगर आप इसे कट भी करोगे बेटा, ये 2 हो जाएगा, फिर आपको नंबर को बाद में 2 से डिवाइड करना पड़ेगा. So it's better एक रफ कॉलम बनाते हैं और यहाँ पे हम मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं 1595 into 115. So 5 5s are 25, 5 9s are 45 plus 2 47, 5 5s are 25, 25 plus 4 29, 5 1s are 5 plus 2 is 7. Now this will be 5951, again 5951. Now let's add them. This will be 5, 7 and 5 12, 9 plus 1 10, plus 9 19, 19 on 5 24. So this will be 7 plus 2 9, 9 and 9 18, 18 and 5 is 23. 5 plus 1 6, 6 and 2 8 1. So what we are getting, that means rupees 183425 upon में 10. Now we can put the decimal at the end, so it will be 18342.5, and because rupees है तो 2 digit up, so it will be 50 paisa. That means the selling price of an article is rupees 18,342.50 paisa. So you will write down the statement, hence the selling price of an article is equals to rupees 18,342.50 paisa. Is it clear? Now let's see question number 5th. It's a lengthy sum but an easy one. We have already discussed this kind of question in class 7th as well. A VCR and the TV were bought for rupees 8,000 each. आपने एक VCR लिया और एक TV लिया, ठीक है, दोनों कितने के आपने परचेज किए? 8,000 के आप लेके आए थे, 8,000 के, ठीक है. The shopkeeper made a loss of 4% on the VCR and a profit of 8% on the TV. Now the shopkeeper को 4% लॉस हुआ VCR पे जब उसने बेचा, एंड 8% प्रॉफिट हुआ, गेन हुआ किस पे? टीवी पे. फाइंड द गेन और लॉस परसेंट ऑन द होल ट्रांजेक्शन. इफ मतलब दैट मीन्स ही इज सेलिंग बोथ VCR एंड TV. सो नाउ यू नीड टू फाइंड आउट कि अगर उसने अलग अलग बोला कि वीसीआर पे उसको 4% का लॉस हो रहा है एंड टीवी पे उसको 8% का प्रॉफिट हो रहा है, बट उसको इस ट्रांजेक्शन में इस होल ट्रांजेक्शन में ओवरऑल क्या उसको हो रहा है, प्रॉफिट हो रहा है या लॉस हो रहा है? प्रॉफिट मीन्स गेन ओनली, प्रॉफिट हो रहा है या लॉस हो रहा है? अगर प्रॉफिट हो रहा है तो फिर प्रॉफिट परसेंट निकालो, अगर उसको होल ट्रांजेक्शन पे लॉस हो रहा है तो लॉस परसेंट निकालो। उसके लिए पहले हम क्या करेंगे, फर्स्ट वी विल फाइंड आउट द सेलिंग प्राइस ऑफ वीसीआर and selling price of TV. If we will get both the selling price of TV and VCR, we will be able to find out the overall gain or loss percent. So let's find it out, the selling price of first VCR and then TV. So the cost price of a VCR is equals to rupees 8,000 and we are having a loss of 4% on it. So let's find it out, the selling price of a VCR. Formula is same, but it is a case of now loss, and we remember loss always gets subtracted. So it will be 100 minus loss percent upon में 100 into the cost price. That means 100 minus 4 upon में 100 into 8,000. Again I am saying this 100 and this 100 will not get cancelled. So it will be first 100 minus 4, 96 upon में 100 into 8,000. So now this 0 cancel, this and this 0 cancel. We are left with 96 into 80. So 0 at the end. Now let's multiply 8 with 6. 8 6 are 48 and 8 9s are 72. 72 plus 4 is 76. That means the selling price of a VCR is rupees 7,608. Now similarly, let's find out the selling price of TV, which is cost price of a TV is rupees 8,000. Now you are having a profit of 8% on it. Now let's find out the selling price of a TV, which will be, now it is a case of profit, so it will get added 100 plus profit percent upon my 100 into the cost price. Now this will be 100 plus profit percent, that means 8 upon my 100 into the cost price, that means 8,000. Again the same concept that 100 and 100 will not get cancelled. You have to add them first. 100 plus 8 is 108 upon my 100 into 8,000. 0 to 0, 0 to 0 will get cancelled. Now we are left with 108 into 8. It will be 0. 8 8s are 64. 8 zeros are 0 plus 6 and 8 1s are 8. That means the selling price of VCR is 7680. Selling price of TV is 8640. अब मेरे पास दोनों के कॉस्ट प्राइस है एंड दोनों के सेलिंग प्राइस है, तो हम टोटल कॉस्ट प्राइस और टोटल सेलिंग प्राइस निकाल सकते हैं और उससे वी कैन सी दैट वेदर वी आर हैविंग अ प्रॉफिट और अ लॉस, right? Then we can see that whether we are having a profit or a loss. So let's find it out, the total cost price first. So the total cost price is equals to rupees 8,000 plus rupees 8,000. That means the total cost price is 16,000. Cost price of VCR and cost price of TV. Now let's see the total selling price. So the selling price of VCR is 7,680. So we'll write down here 7,680 and we will add the selling price of TV. That means 8,640. 8,640. Now let's add them. So 0 plus 0 is 0. 8 plus 4 is 12. 6 and 6, 12 plus 1, 13. And this will be 8 now. 8 and 8, 16. That means the total selling price is 16,320. और टोटल सीपी कितना है 16,000. मतलब उसने ये दोनों आइटम 16,000 की परचेज की एंड नाउ ही इज सेलिंग इट at the price of 16,320. तो ज़्यादा का बेच रहा है. So we will write down since SP is greater than CP, comma, it is a profit. हमें यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है? Profit. तो profit कितने रुपीस का हो रहा है? That means selling price minus the cost price, which is rupees 16,320 minus rupees 16,000. Now let's subtract, it will be 320. So now we have got the profit, and what we need to find out at the end? We need to find out the profit percent. So the profit percent will be equal to profit. We will use the formula profit upon my cost price into 100. Right? Now what is the profit? 320. Now the cost price, that means you are talking about 16,000. The cost price of both TV as well as the VCR, that means 16,000 into 100. 0, 0 cancel, 0, 0 cancel. This 0 and above 0 also get cancelled. 16, 1, 16, 2. That means at the end, on the whole transaction, he was having 2% profit. So we will write down the statement, hence the overall profit percent is 2% on the whole transaction. Is it clear? Now students, in homework, what you need to do? You need to write down the concept of profit and loss along with the question which I have discussed in the session with the homework question. A homework question is question number 7. A milkman sold 2 of his buffaloes for rupees 20,000 each. In this case, SP of 2 buffaloes is given. एक पे he is making a gain of 5% or another में he is having a loss of 10%. So you need to find out its overall gain और लॉस. दैट मीन्स आपको सिर्फ इस केस में ओवरऑल गेन या अगर उसको लॉस हो रहा है तो वो निकालना है. यू डोंट हैव टू फाइंड आउट देयर परसेंटेज एज वेल. सो दिस इज इन योर होमवर्क स्टूडेंट्स. थैंक यू.